guys, welcome back for
Hey, I need back to you there. Send them my hand.
Hello guys, welcome back.
No! Hey, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to Fight You There. What did Brian say as well? So, Baby 2, Ryan's Toy Show told me to show cars that I just opened for Christmas. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Here we go. Yeah.
No, brother, no.
Barney is a dinosaur. He poops all day and night. Barney is a dinosaur. Barney is a dinosaur. Barney is a son. Oh God. Oh God. Ah! Ah! I'm ready to go to fire. Okay, guys. So, Ryan Special told me to get my cars out and show it to everybody. And as well, Diamond Kid, Crazy Diamond Kid. I'll show this to all you. So, my first car that I got, I'm going to do past the years because I got it. I got my car, okay. So, I was born in 2000. I was born 2006, May 30th. And my mom and dad thought it was really nice to bring this car to me, which I loved a lot because I played with it. It was my first car. Phew. So, my second car was when I was 2008, because I had it for 2 years. I got bored 2008. It was my birthday. My mom brought me 8 cars. She brought me the Mustang one, which is old. Brought me the truck, which is old. Brought me this car, which is old. Brought me the BW car, which is old. Brought me the Pansy, I don't know what the name is, but it's a car. And then this, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My 7th one was this one. There's this one, which used to have a top glide on it, and you know. And the 8th one was a police officer. Wait, no. It was this one. An ugly car, like I used to have, and I broke all the windows. I was like, you know, the description, this is my 1, this is the 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, 7, and 8. So I had 9 cars in. And then, in 2009, my mom thought that the Batman movie came out. She didn't want to buy me the Batman, so she bought me this. And then she bought me, after that, she bought me a NASCAR. Just kidding, that was before. She actually brought me an old, in my Huawei. It used to have, it's the same as this one right here. And kind of the same as my old one that I used to have for a long time ago. 9 years with all these cars. 2009, and 10 years with this. No, I know. Imagination, lean on imagination, lean on imagination. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna come here back over here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is one of 2009. 2010, I got this, and this was my favorite one, the Lamborghini dots. Like I have, okay, yeah, this was I got this. That was in 2011. This, this, yeah, this was a Chevy one. I got a Chevy one, and then I got old fireman truck. In 2012, my mom brought me two cars for my birthday. Wow, nigga. In 2013, it was my birthday. My mom thought, sweetie, you're turning 8 now. I know. I even forgot how old was I. Comment distribution below, but I got Donna Patrick, Batman mobile. You know, he has a. And I bought a truck, which is new. No, it's still kind of new. Ew, it's dirty. Okay, so in 2015, my mom brought me. Tell me the subscription. Okay, there we go. Tell me the subscription. What is this car? Right here. I see you so much. I see you so much. You so much. Yeah. Look at the inside of it. I see you so much. I see you so much. I see you. Oh, what's that talking about? Yeah, so this is my car. Next up, I got this one. I can't see you. Okay, guys, so this is like the Toyota Corolla GT, and it's fast. Wow, dude, this is like legit. 2016, last year, it's 2017, right? Well, I got this truck. This car, JK. I got this truck because my mom had to buy me a lot of trucks. This year, my mom bought me the Lamborghini. And if you say BWS, I think it's a BW, I'm not sure. And she might be a police officer, which hell no. Still on the list. And she bought me another cop car, which is fight. Not lose, then you wait on fire. Over here. Oh. Okay, so there we go. Batman car, and I have my second Batman car. It's right here. And my third one. No, that's not my third one. My third one is this one right here. This one. It's one normal car. Then you got the old fat car right here. And the stupid one right here. Just gonna know if it's not stupid. And the Superman car I got yesterday. The Lamborghini. Oh crap. The Lamborghini. The same as this one, but it's the Black Widow one. The Lamborghini Black Widow. Understand. The rated R Edge. Understand. I see clearly. Edge, you're retired already. Okay. Move away. These cars are none. So let's go. Start the race, sucker. Crap, you bitch. They fudge and fell. This car right here is 2002. You see 2000. If you don't see this, shoot! I think my foot just got hurt. This one says 2000. This one's still cool. Then the 2D Lamborghini. They're both cool as ass, bitch. Bam. Batman car securities. Dun, dun, dun. Did you know when you were there that you were fast? Me neither. I thought that you were fast, baby. I didn't know. I didn't know. You told me, oh, I love you so. Oh yeah, guys, if you want me to do a part 2 about it, there's more cars out there. Wait a minute. Yeah, you just can see them. Can you see them, you guys? You can, but wait, you can, right? They're right there. If you don't see it, then too bad, but yeah. I hope you subscribe, guys. Yeah. I'm technically not going to school today. I'm not going to school because temperature. Well, yeah.